Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to deeper intimacy and more exciting moments in your love life. If you're looking to take your bedroom game to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about some mind-blowing sex positions guaranteed to give her those wild, unforgettable orgasms. So, let's dive in. 1. Why variety in positions matters. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why switching up your positions is such a game changer. It's not just about spicing things up. It's about exploring what feels best for both of you and deepening your connection. Plus, new positions can stimulate different areas, leading to more intense pleasure. So, if you've been sticking to the same old moves, it's time to shake things up. Position 1, the butterfly. The first position on our list is the butterfly. It's sensual, intimate, and perfect for creating intense pleasure. Here's how it works. Have her lie on her back near the edge of the bed, with her hips slightly raised. You stand or kneel at the edge, giving you complete control over depth and rhythm. This position is amazing for G-spot stimulation and allows you to maintain eye contact and kiss her easily. Want to take it up a notch? Slide a pillow under her hips for better angles and extra comfort. Position 2, the cowgirl twist. Next up is the cowgirl twist. This one lets her take the reins, giving her control over speed, rhythm, and depth. She starts on top, but instead of staying in a traditional up and down motion, encourage her to rotate her hips in a circular or back and forth motion. This stimulates her clitoris and allows for deeper penetration. What makes this position so powerful? It puts her in charge of her pleasure while you get to focus on her reactions and enjoy the view. Communication is key here. Ask her what feels best and be responsive to her needs. Position 3, the deep impact. If you're looking for a position that combines intimacy with deep stimulation, the deep impact is the way to go. Start with her lying on her back, with her legs raised and resting on your shoulders. This position allows for deeper penetration and creates more friction against the vaginal walls. It's perfect for when you want to focus on her G-spot and intensify her pleasure. Plus, the closeness of this position makes it ideal for whispered sweet nothings or deep eye contact. Position 4, the spoon. For those slower, more sensual moments, the spoon position is a must-try. Lie on your side with her back against your chest, like two spoons stacked together. This position is all about intimacy, making it great for lazy mornings or moments when you just want to feel close. The angle also allows for easy access to her neck and ears, two super sensitive areas that can drive her wild when kissed or whispered into. Position 5, the standing ovation. Feeling adventurous? Try the standing ovation. Stand face to face, with her legs wrapped around your waist for support. You'll need some strength and balance for this one, but the payoff is worth it. This position is perfect for spontaneous moments and brings a level of excitement that's hard to beat. Plus, the standing angle hits different spots, offering unique sensations for both of you. Position 6, the reverse cowgirl. Last but definitely not least, we have the reverse cowgirl. She straddles you while facing away, giving her full control of the rhythm and angle. This position provides a whole new perspective and lets her focus entirely on her pleasure. It's also great for prolonged sessions because it's less strenuous for you while still being intensely pleasurable for her. Add in some gentle touches to her back or hips and watch her completely melt. Tips for success. Now that we've covered these amazing positions, here are a few tips to make the experience even better. Communicate. Always check in with her to see what feels good and what doesn't. Take your time. Rushing through won't give her the chance to fully enjoy the sensations. Add variety. Mix and match these positions to keep things fresh and exciting. Focus on foreplay. Don't skip the build-up. It's essential for making the main event unforgettable. Be present. Pay attention to her reactions and adapt as needed. And there you have it. 6 incredible positions that can help you give her wild, unforgettable orgasms. Remember, the key to great intimacy is mutual enjoyment, open communication, and a willingness to explore together. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips on spicing up your love life. Until next time, stay passionate and connected